Hi you guys, I just wanted to get on here really quick before I start the video to show you what my makeup looks like after 12 hours. This technique is so good and so bomb. And I'm like shook, and you guys are gonna be too, so keep watching the video. It's worth it. It's worth finding out how to do this because I've had this makeup on for 12 hours. There's no separation at all, and I haven't touched it up. I haven't touched it up at all, only my lipstick. Like, what? I'm so shook. So keep watching, okay? Like, you're gonna die. You're literally, keep watching. Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sylvette. I am here with a fun video. I think it's fun personally. I'm gonna be sharing the best kept secret in the beauty industry that I learned at the HRUSH masterclass. Hold on, my lips are hella dry. I just did a mask and like it was a detox mask and I'm just super dried out, so I've got to get a little hydration. This is the Genius Collagen Lip. I love this stuff. Anyways, I learned this at the HRUSH masterclass and I literally haven't tried it because I haven't been able to get my hands on it. And I've been wanting to make this video for quite a while because I think it's so crazy. And when I first saw her do it, I was just like, what the fuck? So if you are interested, keep watching the video to learn the best kept secret in the beauty industry. I'm gonna continue to do, I'm gonna just do my makeup kind of the way she did Nikita Dragun's during the class. You know, share my techniques that I learned from her with you guys. First, I'm gonna just put these under eye patches on. These ones are from Tony Moly. These are the lemon brightening. I'm gonna use these just because my eyes need a little love. Okay, so I have the under eye masks on. I don't know if you could see, they have these little paper things on the back of the jelly side, but I always peel it off because it's a lot lighter weight like this, and it's still gonna do the same thing and it just doesn't feel so heavy. So I don't know if the camera even picks up the masks, but they're on there. They're there. Moving on, the first thing HRUSH did to Nikita was her brows. She used a couple different products. Mainly she used the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. So I'm gonna use that. I personally want to try the Dip Brow Gel. I haven't used it, so I'm gonna kind of hop back and forth between those two just because I haven't tried it out. Also, check out my cute Aaliyah shirt. So cute. Yeah, I'm really nervous about this video. I mean, you guys don't even know yet how crazy. Oh, you do by the title, huh? I might as well share it. Today we're gonna be using the Philips Milk of Magnesia as primer. If you don't know what Milk of Magnesia is, it's basically a laxative. So it's a diarrhea medicine. And apparently it's like supposed to be the best primer ever. It's supposed to really tighten pores and fine lines. So we'll see. She swears by it. So I thought it would be fun to make the video trying it out because it's a really, that was a really gross noise. Because it's a really weird thing that I haven't heard of, but I looked online, a lot of people use it, so we'll test it out and see how it is. But we're gonna start with the brows. So I don't think I've ever done my brows on camera. My brows have been looking bomb. I just got them done, and you know when you get them done, it's just like so much better. I do get my brows tinted, so that's why you can see they look darker, and I think it makes a huge ass difference. So I'm gonna be using the Precisely My Brow. This is in the color 4.5. It's a little dark, but I like my brows dark. And I'm gonna start by just going across. And I'm trying not to put a ton of pressure. I'm just trying to connect the dots. One thing one thing HRUSH did say is to be, every stroke you do, brush it out. So even if it's the littlest stroke, she would say don't be lazy, brush it out. So that's something I think makes me fuck up my brows, is I don't do that. So I'm gonna try to do that throughout this video, to just kind of brush it out. And then I'm gonna go do the same thing up top. Okay, I just put contacts in too. And man, it's been a minute since I've worn contacts. My eyes are like hella irritated. I like this. I do like this. But man, it distributes product really quick. So keep that in mind. Why are my eyes like, it's like the second the camera goes on, my eyes are like tearing. So next we're gonna carve out the brows. When she carves out brows, she uses a concealer underneath, but she'll use the foundation that you're gonna be using up at the top, which is really smart, because she was just like, why would you use a concealer so that's like super light and it's just like not a good look, which I kind of agree with. I don't know why I do that now, because I'm going better. The foundation I'm going to be using is the YSL All Hours, just because this is like my favorite foundation, and a little nervous about using this Milk with Magnesia. And then I'm going to be using the Becca Banana Pot Concealer, which I don't even know, I don't think they make any more in a pot, for under the brows. And I'm just going to be using this Morphe brush. There's no number on this one, but it's just a flat kind of square brush. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the skincare. She used all Ole Henriksen, so that's what I'm gonna do too. So I'm gonna start off with this guy. This one is the Ole Henriksen Glow Cycle Retin Alt Serum. I really like this stuff, and it's really good for color correction. So redness, which is what I have, it's really, really good for. So I'm gonna start by putting this on. We're gonna be starting with the complexion, which is really, really good. Oh, she did eyes first, but I'm gonna be doing very minimal eyes, so I'm not gonna do my eyes first. But if you are doing some like crazy eyeshadow, I would do my eyes first. But because I'm doing very like minimalistic eyes today, I'm not gonna do the eyes first, because I want to get right into the complexion for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Ole Henriksen. This is the Truth HRUSH Brightening Gel Cream. It smells so good. All of Ole Henriksen's products smell really good, and I love the line. You can see it just gives like a really beautiful dewy finish. Like, okay, who's this skin? Who is she? This is the Ole Henriksen and a Bright Primer. I'm just gonna get a little bit, like half a pump, and kind of focus it around here just to get my skin ready. And then I'm gonna go in with the Banana Bright Eye. And what she did is she mixed these two together. So she mixed the Banana Bright Eye with the primer. So I'm gonna do that. I've never tried that before. I'm just gonna get a Q-tip. I've never done that before, so I'm gonna just take a little bit of this, put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna mix a little bit of the primer, kind of stir the pot, and then get it under my eyes. And then, so I just did half and half. And then I'm going to do the Milk of Magnesia, which I'm really, really nervous about because that'll be real interesting. We're gonna be doing Milk of Magnesia. I'm nervous as fuck. Never heard of this this beauty trick. It's not really talked about, and she was saying how it's like the best kept secret, and it for sure is, like, because I never heard of it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and pour it in the cup to use. I just put a little bit so I can dip my makeup brush inside. Wow, I'm nervous. So she said to start with a little bit, and before you put your foundation on, to make sure it's all the way dry. She also used a flat foundation brush, so that's what I'm gonna use. This is just a MAC 190 SE. So it's literally just a flat foundation brush. And when she did it in motions going down like this. Let's just do it. I mean, let's just do it. There's no point in waiting. And now I'm just gonna let it dry. She said you have to make sure it dries before you put on any makeup. I definitely feel that it's starting to tighten. So my face does feel really soft. And I did have a little white streaking, but I think it's because I had too much product on the brush. But overall, like, it doesn't feel bad or anything. It feels like a little tightened, but she said it's supposed to feel like that, and that it kind of just words. It kind of just smooths everything over. Okay, like so far I'm impressed. As you can see, I barely used any, like this was way too much. After she did the Milk of Magnesia, they did some color correction. For me personally, I don't do that much color correction pretty much ever, so I'm not going to do it. All hours, like I said before. This is the color BD35. I'm like almost out. I'm literally gonna buy another one today. So now I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm gonna use the Born This Way concealer in Swan. This is my favorite concealer ever. And I'm gonna get this under my eyes. My foundation covered all my blemishes, so I don't need to put any concealer on those today. So now I'm gonna bake. I'm using Chanel translucent powder, and I'm gonna start to bake. Okay, so I just did my eye makeup real quick. I did something inspired by what she wore the other day. Something just really easy, 2 colors, super simple. So now I'm going to brush off my powder. I'm using my contour kit that I use all the fucking time. go in with blush. I'm just gonna use Gingerly from MAC. Let's get a lip on, and I'm gonna use this lip liner from Jeffree Star. This is the color, oh, Celebrity Skin. I love this color. Okay, I'm just gonna add bottom mascara, and then alright you guys, this is the final look. I think it looks really good. I don't know if you can see. My complexion looks bomb. Like, I am so pro diarrhea medicine. I am pro milk of magnesia. I think this really worked. This is definitely a game changer. Wow, I need to look up and see if it would be bad to put on my face a lot, but wow, I'm like my complexion looks so good. Like, I'm shook. What do you guys think? Like, I would like to know what you guys think. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. And if you like my content, or if you like the idea of using this as a primer, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more things like this, if you want to see me test out weird, you know, things, let me know. I can find some more weird tricks to test out. And yeah, I really love it, and I would love to hear if you guys try it out. So if you do, please comment below your thoughts. Sound off, I want to hear it. And yeah, stay tuned, because next week I am going to the Mitchell masterclass, so I'm super freaking excited about that. Stay tuned to hear about that. Hopefully I will have hopefully I'll have that video up on Friday the 3rd, and I'll kind of have, it'll basically be like the HRUSH one, talking about my experience and then showing you guys the goodie bag. And then I'll make another video like this with the biggest secret or the things I learned. This one is crazy though, like crazy. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, whatever it may be when you're watching this, and I'll see you next time.